Hello guys, we are going to make the second exercise in the Google SketchUp. We have learned with you how to open it, how to start using it, and now we will do the most beautiful tool that's called Follow Me tool. This exercise will be full for Follow Me tool. I'm going to say new one. No, I don't want to save it. No. Now, if you want, you can save it for the further things. Okay, now first thing I'm going to draw will be something like macarons. How to make it? I'm going to take one 2-point arc tool and draw just an arc. Place somewhere here until somewhere here and make it 3D. Okay, it's okay for me. Now I'm going to draw one circle on the ground. I'm taking the circle and drawing it. Okay, don't make it too big. Next step, I'm going to take the beautiful tool called Follow Me tool. And when I go to the circle, I say this surface, please follow me, click on it. Don't take your mouse off and follow the way he will go through. And so it draws for you beautiful macaroons. Next step, I'm going to draw the rectangle on the ground and this size is okay. And I'm going to make it 3D because you have seen it with you how to make it. And it's 3D. Now I'm using again 2-point arc tool and drawing one arc from the end point. It's very important from the end point to somewhere in the edge and make it on face. Now drawing one more. Okay. Now how to use here. I didn't like this one. Can I delete it and do it again? Just this figure. Its shape is not the thing that I like. Now, draw it again. Okay, it's better. Now I'm going to take the follow me tool. And the most important part, you have to see the way it starts and the finish. You have to see the whole way that your follow me tool will go through. I say select this one, click on it. Then I say follow my mouth. And when you finish it all, you have to click one more time. Click and you finish. So I'm taking pushable tool to make it look better. Now I'm going down. To go down, I use orbit tool. Why I go down? Because I have to see all the way that follow me tool will follow me. Now I'm taking follow me tool for taking the surface and I say, please follow me all these 4 points. And when I come to the end of the point, I'm taking off. So he followed me and I see the beautiful second object I have here. Oh, what happened to my macarons? Okay, next step. I'm going to draw the next step, this beautiful cone and then semicircle, semisphere, yes. And I think I have to move this is the move tool. Okay, we are going to use it because I didn't like the way where it's now my macarons. Let's see it. Oh, I drew it somewhere in the ground. Let's move it firstly up, up, and somewhere here. Okay. No. I think it's again somewhere in the ground, yes. Let's move it firstly up. Now let's see. Okay. Now let's move it a bit. That's great. And I need to delete this man. I don't need to today. Delete. Next step. I'm going to draw here one cone. I'm taking the circle and drawing on the ground. Oh, as you see, I have to move it a bit from the point going and draw one line. First line will be the vertical line, second line from this upside to the edge. Okay, let's draw it here. Next, draw the one more line here. Why we made it? We have to see the beginning of its path and the end of this path. Okay, put your cone so you can see it. Now I'm using follow me tool and say you are going to follow this circle. I'm going through this circle, following, drawing the circle, and I say to the end. Now I see my cone. Next coming, I'm going to do my semi-sphere. For semi-sphere, I'm drawing again one more circle on the ground. One more circle on the ground. Next, I'm drawing here one rectangle. And as you see, my rectangle now is something that's on the ground. I don't like it. That's why. If it's drawn by from its center, press on the control. Can you see? Now it's drawn by center. I don't like it. If you press on the control, now it will be naturally center. Now I'm taking it and making here right or left. It'll make your rectangle vertical, right or left. Okay, now as you see, it is vertical. Now I'm drawing here. Next step, I want here to draw will be 2-point arc tool. I'm taking an arc tool, putting here one click. Here will be another click. And draw your arc. Okay, just let's delete unnecessary part. This one's done it. Now I'm going to use my follow me tool to convert it to semi-sphere. Take it, click on it, and follow the line. I say you will go from the line here, until the end. So I have here one semi-sphere. Next object. Next object, as you see, is this something like McDonald's arc or the tubes under your toilet. Yes, okay. So I'm moving it a bit so I have some free space. First thing I need to be one rectangle on the ground and one rectangle that will go up. Now, let's draw here by using line tool. I'm drawing one line for this side. Next, I'm using 2-point arc tool. Click on it, click somewhere here, click on it. If you don't like something, you can just delete it and draw again, okay? Click on it and up, okay? And for the last one, there should be actually line tool, yes, line. Okay, now to check, you can go to the back side. Okay, I think it's great. Now I'm going to downside and drawing one circle. Drawing a circle on the ground. So now I have one circle and I can delete everything unnecessary. I don't need anything except for the circle. Even the lines inside the circle, please delete them. Leave only your circle and this M structure. Now, what am I going to do? First step, move it so you can see the beginning and the end of your way. Now, taking the follow me tool and follow these lines. When you go through, you follow me tool will go on after you. So I have it. And the last thing will be the ways. It's the hardest thing here. That's why be careful and listen carefully. First thing I'm going to do will be one circle on the ground. One circle on the ground. Next. I think this size okay. I'm going to draw here one rectangle on it. And this rectangle should be, okay, let's make first one line on the axis. Let's move a bit so it will be more comfortable for me to draw. Now drawing a rectangle. It will be bigger than your circle. Why it's bigger? Because it will be for me easier to draw the arc here. In the end point here, I take it, click on it, and somewhere here maybe I will draw one arc, and here will be the second arc. Okay, let's close it. And I will use my magic tool called offset tool. If you remember it, offset tool. If everything is okay, he will automatically show that it's selected. Okay, when it's selected, I'm making the inside of my vase. Now I'm going to use my line tools, or maybe using arc tools. I think arc tool, 2-point arc tool is better to use here. I put it here, one line here, and the line here. Okay. Now delete unnecessary part. This one is unnecessary. This one is unnecessary. I want to put here one more line and delete everything except for the surface that will look like worm. If you have a circle on the ground and a worm, it's okay. Now we can use one more time. Follow me to put it the way that you can see the beginning and the finish of your circle. I'm selecting again, follow me tool, and following this circle. I say, follow this circle, please. Follow, follow. Go, 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 go. Until the end. Sometimes there are possible some problems. Okay, go, go. It's really interesting why it's not closing all of them. Let's see. Let's take it one more time. I think there was a problem. You may have also problems. Sometimes it will be easier for you to draw it again one more time, okay? Why it's starting not from the way I want? Okay, take it and move it. Okay, move it this way then. Move. Mhm. Maybe put it this way. In new ones, there may not be any problem. Maybe it's something about my circle. Oh, I see no problem. He says that my circle is smaller than this one. Yes. Okay, the problem was that I was too fast for him. That's good. So let's do it yourself.